welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and I know my hair is not looking its best, but in this video I was so excited and I couldn't wait to show you. I just came from Puerto Rico with my husband yesterday. That's why my hair is looking a little off, because we went hiking and did all these things, and I went to the beach and I'm still recovering it, but I couldn't wait to share this with you guys. So here I am. Today what I'm going to share with you is a little bit different. This is for all my girls out there and boys that want free makeup. That I mean, nowadays there's so many different like makeup products out there, and I mean, I don't know about you, but I need to save my coins. Like, yeah. So if you want a free makeup and you want to save your coins and you are like, okay, I'm not an influencer, this is the way, because I'm going to show you what I've earned or what I've redeemed with this app. By the way, I'm sorry if the light changes. I'm still figuring out my one window and my light ring, or my ring light, and yeah, but I couldn't wait to show you this, guys, with you. This video is unsponsored. It's not even like, they don't know who I am, and I'm nobody, but yeah, I just found out this app because I have a lot of apps that I used to get coins or redeem for, you know, Ulta gift cards. Remember, I don't have a job yet, so I needed to buy shampoo and conditioner and mask. So this one in particular, I found out about it. It's still fairly new, and the reason why I'm making this video is because I haven't seen any other video. I think maybe one, and she was partnered with the app, but I haven't seen any other video here on YouTube. But I was like, oh my god, you know when you have something that is so good that you call your best friend right away? Well, I don't really have friends here, and you guys are my friends, so I was like, I need to tell everybody because it's so good. Yeah, so this video is non-sponsored. They don't know who I am. I'm doing it just to share it with you guys because I feel like it's amazing and you should get it in and on too. The app is called Supergrade, and it's an app where you review the beauty products that you already have in a video that it can be up to 60 seconds, and that's it. You review it, you post it. So for 10 watches that your video has, you get 1 coin. Now, you can share your link with your friends. You know, they can watch your makeup reviews, and you can watch theirs, whatnot. And then those coins you can redeem for products. Now, every day they have different products that they have redeemable, and I'm obsessed. Like, I used it for a while. For I think I have like a month and some change using the app, just because I felt like it was too good to be true, and I didn't want to share it with you guys, and just because I was skeptical about it until now. Now I'm going to show you what I've received through this app for free. Free 99, free shipping, nothing. I did not pay for anything. All I did was put my reviews of the products that I use. Very short. It can be makeup, hair products, scents, skincare, and I'm going to leave my link down below if you want to see it. It will help me a lot if you get some views right there, but also just so you can create your account. You can share your link with your friends. Again, since I don't have friends here, I don't have any, you know, it's been very organically the way people have watched my videos. However, since it's a small community and it's a small app yet, it's awesome because the more people get in it, I guess it's gonna be like the faster your products are gonna sold out. But I just wanted to share with you guys because it's that good. And again, that's what you do with your best friends. When you find a good deal or a good opportunity to get free stuff, you share it with your friends. So yeah, now I'm gonna go check on my thing and see, because I have gotten so many things. So I'm gonna go check on my account so I can be sure 100%. So they're gonna come in this beautiful golden envelope. I love it. It's a bubble wrap. Amazing. They have a super great review sticker. I love it. And they all come with different cute little stickers. Now, the first thing that I redeemed was this set was this set of masks. They're from Purlisse. I actually have tried them before from BoxyCharm and I like them, and honestly they were like 20 coins, which means 200 views, which it's not that hard to get. And I was like, because they usually had higher prices, and this was like the first cheap ones that I've seen. However, last month they all have like their prices around 30 coins and around that price range, which is so easy to get. Now after that, I got this ones, which were the watermelon and energizing mask from Purlisse as well. Again, 20 coins. Then I got the Sweet Chef Ginger Vitamin C Serum Shot, which is full size. I believe it was like 15 coins. It was on sale or in the free shop lately too. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. Just vitamin C sometimes don't work really good for me, but it was cheap and it was free, so yeah. After that, it was my most surprise item. I've been wanting to try Glow Recipe for a long time, and it never comes in my BoxyCharm box. It's the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream Calming and Hydrating. And I saw it for, I think it was like 20 coins. I'm like, oh my god, this is like a $39 product. It was like brand new. Like, I got it before it was even on Sephora. Yeah, I was super excited about that. After those products, and again, they have new ones every day, just in case. After that one, I received the Flora P Detox Reset and Renew Jasmine Peppermint Mask. I haven't tried them yet. They are 100% coconut, so I'm excited because I love everything coconut. But yeah. And after that, I got the cutest little box from Starface. It's called Pimple Patch. It comes in a little thing. I've seen them everywhere. It comes with like the thing here. Adorable, right? Oops. The box, it's for pimples because yeah, I used to buy the ones that were from CosRX, but I mean free again. So they come in little stars. Sorry for my nails. You put them in pimples, you look fabulous while your pimples are getting dried out. Amazing. I mean, what's not to love? I think they retail for $20 or $22, the little box. And if you want to reuse the little boxy thing, you can just buy the refillable inside things, and I think they're 18. Got it for free, guys. Again, I also got this Mystic Erase liquid eyeliner and corrector. It's like a dual tip. I already tried it on my hand and it does erase the thing. I think it was like 5 coins. I mean, cool. I have a lot of eyeliners, I think, or maybe I just have one that I love, so cool. I mean, the 5 coins. After that, I got the Purlisse Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30. I had this one. I got it from Ipsy and it broke me out. So I'm really excited to give this one a try. Let me open it. I think it's a little smaller, or maybe it's, but yeah, got this one for free as well. And now, this one was the one that I just received. I'm still waiting for something else. It's called Holy Frog. It's on its way. It takes like about a week to get here. It's like a $40 AHA cleanser. Super excited about that. But this one I received and I was like, oh my god, like this is when I knew that I needed to share this with you guys. This came from the brand Jorn, which by the way, if you can Google it, like just go on their Instagram. The brand has an amazing creative director. Like just everything is amazing. Like the photography, the way they're starting, love it. I'm obsessed with this brand. Let me show you why. You open it and it comes like this with like a little handwritten letter and a dry daisy, right? I'm like, oh, that's so cute. It's a beautiful letter. It's handwritten, and you can tell because I can tell the pressure of the pen. So it says, welcome to the Jorn family. I wanted to create Jorn to help people achieve flawless skin without layers of makeup, which is what I want, while helping improve their skin concerns over time. Thank you for trusting us to do so. Sarah, the founder. Now, these are the things that make me feel part of a company, that makes me feel like I want to support them, that makes me feel appreciated. Even though I didn't spend money on this because I got this from Supergrade, it makes me create a bond with Journey, and with Journe. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna repurchase the item from them just because I feel value as a customer. And I think like there's so many brands out there that they just want to get the money from you and they don't care really about rebuilding a relationship with the customer. Now it came in this little box. When you open it, it's like, that's dried flowers. That's dried flowers. Let me show you. This is the product right here. It's a corrector for acne scars, and oh, I don't want to drop this on my vanity, but it's dried flowers. I think it's like the smell of jasmine or coconut, something like that. But you can put like, make it like a little diffuser or do whatever. But I just think it smells so good, and I think it's so nice to do that little extra touch. It feels very personal. Like it makes me feel as if this was PR. You know, you don't have to be special to get PR, guys. You have to have 1,000 followers. You just have to make reviews, pretty much. So love this. Thank you, Journe. I honestly appreciate that you did that for us, even though we didn't get any money from it, or from me. But I for sure am gonna keep buying from you guys just because I love that little details. That's the extra thing. That's the extra mile that barely some brands go. I do recommend for you guys to check that brand out. They do have an amazing photography. They're starting out, and I just felt like heaven. Plus their product is pretty good. Like I use it today. You know, I have my issues with my acne scars. They look so much better. I'm very new at color correcting, so there's that, but they made it very easy. Go check my link below. Go create your account, download the app, and get reviewing. If you want, you can follow me as well, but I would like to follow your reviews and see what you're reviewing, and maybe if you want to review about her products, we can, you know, learn a little bit from each other. Moving forward is something really cool too. I just want to share with you guys what I received from Scent Beauty. They sent me this perfume so I can review it for you guys, and I'm super obsessed. I'm super excited because it's a Cher perfume. Now I'm so excited because I've always loved Cher ever since I was a little kid. Even though when I used to have my hair straight and black and long, people said that I looked like Cher, and I think they meant pre-surgery. I don't care. She's always been an icon, and the fact is, like, this year my goal is to be Cher for Halloween. You know that video of if I could turn back time? That's an iconic Cher right there. Like, I want to live that moment. However, I've not been comfortable with my body to be able to wear that suit ever, and I just feel like, just because the whole hair situation, I would love to do that. I'm so tired of putting on wigs for Halloween, or, you know, feeling like my hair, I don't know. Again, this is me, the journey of my hair, and I've always felt like I had to have straight hair for Halloween, because back then when I would straighten it, it would be like poofy, so I would always have to get a wig. Not this year, not if I can make it. Not if I can make it to a point where I'm comfortable wearing that type of outfit. But yeah, I love Cher. I feel she's a very strong woman. I'm obsessed with her looks. She's the definition of an icon, right? So this is the packaging. It retails for $85, which it's a lot for a perfume for 50 mils, but again, it's Cher. So the smell test, or the scent test. Ooh, okay. So this perfume does not smell like any perfume currently famous out there yet. Like, it's a very, I guess, iconic, would definitely describe this. It's not something everybody would smell like. You know, like how that Gucci Bamboo or that Daisy by Marc Jacobs, everybody has those perfumes and they're good. It's just like, I don't like smelling like everybody else. I don't, because I like people to remember me by my smell. If there's one thing they're gonna remember, it's gonna be by my hair, by my smell, or my height, one of the two. But okay, let me just spritz it a little bit. So cool. Look at that design. It's not here, it's here. share haute couture. Now you have to blow a little bit. Ooh, this is for sure for a strong woman. It is for a more seasoned character, but I do love it. I would wear it at a freaking, like, whenever I have my own business, I'll wear it at a meeting to show people who's the boss. I'll wear it to, you know, because it's just like a very iconic idol, like I'm the boss bitch type of perfume. Yes, that's it. It's not like, oh, let me ask. No, no, no. Like, I say, I demand, this is what I want, this is what I'm gonna get. That type of perfume. Like, I'm the queen bee type of perfume. It's not subtle, it's not sweet, it's not, no, it's a very strong personality, very alluring, captivating, like sexy but chill. Like, I know better, like I've been through stuff, like I've had hardships, like I've overcame things and situations. It's a very, let's just say, experience scent. I'm gonna leave you guys a link down below as well if you want to check that out. I can't believe I have shared perfume. I'm sorry. Iconic. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to try to be more consistent just because, again, I've been traveling a lot lately. My goal is to be more consistent in here and be able to pump out videos every week at least. Just please bear with me, guys. Thank you so much. I can't believe that we're on like 4,000 subscribers. I'm so eternally grateful for you guys. If you're watching this here, you might as well just do it. What is there to lose? You're already here. Just give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you next time. I hope you have an amazing day. I hope you have an amazing week and an amazing start of year. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Love you.